Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be field stripping, cleaning, and probably disassembling the Dan Wesson DWX. And without further ado, first things first, clear. We're going to need a few tools for this. The torque spit for the grips. Dan Wesson includes this to get the to assist with the safety plunger, and you can use, I use this, but a magazine to push that out, or a punch or something. Yeah, it's kind of a pain. It's nice and tight. So the first thing to get the slide off, we're gonna pull the slide back until the slide stop is in line with that notch. Right about there. And I hold the front of the slide to the frame, flip her on over, punch out the slide stop, slide stop out, push slide forward, maintain positive control of that recoil spring, pull up on the recoil spring, your guide rod and your recoil spring come out, slide in your barrel, pull up on barrel, and come right out. As you can see, I haven't cleaned it in a few competitions. So now we're done with that. Now we're going to be focusing on the lower half. We first taking off the grips. Righty tighty, lefty loosey for all you who don't know yet. The fun thing is that these grips came off my Shadow 2 and they fit perfectly. Those are the grips. As you can see, the brass will leave a little mark on the frame because, well, one's stronger than the other, but the brass will wipe right off when you get a rag on it. So that's field strip of the Dan Wesson, and we can go even further, but I'm going to wipe this. The oil's off. All right. Next, we're going to push out this pin at the bottom. It is directional, so make sure you go one way, because it is headed. There's a head on that pin, so it'll only go one way. You can go pull down on the back strap. And then your leaf spring, your hammer strut, all the fun stuff's in the back. To take out the leaf spring, pull up on the rear and slide right out. Next will be the safety. I have already swapped this from an ambi safety to a single safety because my grip is too high and the ambi digs into my first knuckle. What I have done to get the ambi safety off is get a screwdriver and pry them from the inside, push them apart because they are very tough. But for the single side safety, it is much easier. Pull the hammer to about half. Make sure you cover something so your retaining pin that is hidden in here doesn't fly. As you can see, got me right there. Safety comes out. You can push your hammer retaining pin. Hammer comes out. Now what's left is this fire control unit. Comes right out. The trigger will also slide right out. And then if you want to take out your magazine catch, get a small tip screwdriver. Simultaneously push in the mag catch, and counterclockwise on your screwdriver. It'll lock in place and you pull that right out. And that is a full disassembly of the Dan Wesson full size. And I'm going to clean it and we'll be back.